Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford F150's emergency brake cable. First, prioritize safety by properly lifting your truck and securing it on jack stands. Make sure your transmission is in neutral and the parking brake is completely disengaged. Having your tools ready, like a 10mm wrench and some pliers, will make this job much smoother and quicker for you. Next, you'll need to locate the emergency brake cable equalizer. This is usually found underneath your truck, often near the driveshaft or rear axle. It's the point where the two cables going to your rear wheels connect to the single cable coming from the front of the vehicle. Look for a threaded rod with an adjustment nut or a similar mechanism there. Now let's adjust the tension. First, loosen the lock nut that secures the adjustment nut. Then, slowly tighten the main adjustment nut. You'll want to tighten it until you feel a slight drag when you try to spin the rear wheels by hand. Once you feel that drag, back off the adjustment nut by about 1/2 to 1 full turn. This ensures the brakes don't drag constantly. Finally, it's time to test your work. Engage and disengage the parking brake several times to allow the cables to settle properly. Then, confirm that both rear wheels spin completely freely when the parking brake is fully disengaged. Once satisfied, securely retighten the lock nut to hold your adjustment in place. Carefully lower your truck and perform a final test on a slight incline to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.